This year I've been working on my landscaping and my property around here. So I'm trying to prettify, is that a word? Prettify? Well, I'm making it a word. I'm trying to prettify my property. So in this video, I'm gonna show you guys what I've been working on around here and how I've been potting up a lot of these containers that I have around the property. Let's go. What's going on, my plant peoples, my plant fam? I am the ADHD gardener, where I use gardening, houseplants, and humor as a form of mental health therapy, and I have tons of containers around my home. Okay, maybe I don't have a lot of containers yet. However, I do have a bunch of these large containers. This container right here is holding my azalea. Now, this container has to be at least a 1.5 feet wide, and that's a big container. Now I have a few of those around here. So what I do have in my front lawn, I actually have 2 large containers that are holding 2 different varieties of azaleas. The reason why I'm actually putting most of these shrubs or flowers that I want in containers is because the ground that I have right here is just too hard. There's no way that I can break through this ground, even using Jose. I even had Jose try to dig this out. There are huge roots from trees. If you see right up here, that's just one tree, but I also have a second tree right on the other side of me, and all those roots are going right around my fence line. And that's where I wanted to plant all of my flowers and shrubs. But being that I cannot do that, we're gonna go container, and that's what I've been doing because I'm hoping that this container will fill up and get larger. I know maybe in the future I may have to upsize the container. We're not there yet. All right, let's get gardening. What I have here is a bunch of coco coir, vermiculite. I even have some worm castings right here, and I also have some perlite. All of these materials are actually considered amendments that you can add in addition to your potting mix. Some potting mixes are not the best. I'm going to be mixing this along with some actual compost, along with some soil, but I'm adding more of this because I don't really have a lot of soil by itself. But if you see here, this looks fantastic. In addition to compost. Oh, God, I feel like a professional. I'm not, totally not.
What was that?
I said I feel like a professional, even though I'm really not. It's definitely a case of imposter syndrome. Oh, I'm gonna need more water. Hold on. Oh my gosh, I'm tired. Very, very tired. But I hope you enjoyed this video and you really got a good idea as to what you can plant up and how you can plant up a lot of beautiful flowers inside of these containers. Sometimes it's trial and error, I know, but actually, you know what? If you look at it, silver lining, it's just fun. And gardening is fun. So, you know what? Live and learn, trial and error. We're gonna get better at it. Let me know down in the comments below, are you container gardening this year? Or do you have some property where you can put right directly into the ground? Let me know. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did enjoy this video and you want to show me some love, then don't forget to smash that like button. I really appreciate it. Also, if you haven't already, then consider subscribing. I drop a video every week and then some in between. Don't forget about the notification bell. Without the bell, you won't know I'm dropping a video. And last but not least, you can catch me on Facebook and Instagram. I'm on there all the time. You can drop me a message. I post funny memes, a little DIY, behind the scenes, and also every now and then a girl has got to vent. So as usual, in the end, you and me both are going to be growing our happiness one plant at a time, one day at a time. I'll check y'all later in the next episode. Peace and love.